Hello friends, hi. To, welcome to my channel Parul ke Pakwan. Today I am going to explain how to make finger chips. So let's see how to make finger chips. Friends, how to make finger chips? Let's see. I have taken four potatoes and I peel off it and wash properly, and I will cut the shape of the fingers of these potatoes. So let's see how to cut it. Like this you have to cut it properly. So you will take out fingers, shape of the fingers of all potatoes like this. So you will cut all the potatoes like this. Now soak the potatoes for 2-3 minutes in a water. Now 2-3 minutes has done, and after 2-3 minutes I will take out all the potatoes in the on this cloth. Now this cloth will soak all the water, so we'll wipe like this and press like this, and it will be dry. Now water is soaked properly, and now it will I will fry all the fingers potatoes in the oil. So I have taken some oil in this pan, and I will fry the finger potatoes in the oil. So wait for 2-3 minutes, the oil will be warm and I will fry it. So oil will be warm and I will fry these potatoes, fingers shaped potatoes. It will be fried when it turns the color white turns into brown. Fry it for 4 to 5 minutes in the medium flame of gas. So all the potatoes are fried properly. Gas flame will be high, and it will be fried properly for 4 to 5 minutes like this. So all the potatoes are ready. All the finger chips are ready. So I will fry all rest of the potatoes which I have already taken and cut it. So I will fry it like this. So it is don't need to add some flour or corn flour. So please try to this recipe from my method. So I have sprinkled some Domino's pizza chili flakes, because I have Domino's chili flakes. So you can use also, and you can make at your home chili flakes. And I am sprinkle some chaat masala. So after frying all the finger chips, I will sprinkle these spices, and I will mix it properly. So it is very delicious, tasty and crunchy like this. It is very crunchy. It's very crunchy. So it needs to be frying 2-3 times, so it becomes crunchy, and it's a favorite of children and all the people. Its finger chips are very favorite for all the person. So I will serve these finger chips with the tomato sauce and mayonnaise. Okay friends, now finger chips are ready, and you can make the recipe of the finger chips with the help of my channel. Please watch my channel videos full, and please if you will like this recipe, please subscribe my channel, like and comment also, and share more and more to others. And I am going to serve this finger chips with tomato sauce and mayonnaise, so you can try it at your home. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.